everyone, it's Shalini and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I have sore throat. I cannot do anything about it. So I was just about to film a video for my YouTube channel. So I just thought, why not film how I like to get ready before filming. So this is going to be a very basic go-to makeup look of mine. So just focus on the technique. So this video could be like how to look well put together. Yes, without further ado, let's begin with this video. Already I'm filming this video in my balcony because the lighting is perfect here. And this is how I like to film videos. So this is a basket which carries all my makeup essentials. जो मेरा dressing area वहाँ पे light अच्छी नहीं है. It's more like a storage area for me. So whatever makeup that I need to film a video or get ready, I just put everything in this basket which I got from 99 store Bhopal. If you want to see a haul video, then let me know. I got really good stuff from there. It's winter time, so I'm just going to start with moisturizer. This is Faces Canada Hydro Fresh moisturizer, hydrates and conditions anti-aging action. This is really good. The only thing that I do not like is the cap of this. It's very, can you see, it's very, how to explain that, I don't know. So I'm just gonna take 2 pumps of this and massage it all over my face. उससे पहले I highly suggest you to wash your hands, which I forgot. It's extremely hydrating. I like that. So now I'm going to let it sit on my face for about 5 minutes. After that I will start the makeup routine. 5 minutes are done. Can you see how beautiful it sits on my face? This is perfect for winter season. Now I'm going to start with primer. So usually I don't use primer on day-to-day basis, but क्योंकि यहाँ पे मेरा फटने लगा है skin यहाँ पे winter है इसलिए, and foundation doesn't sit properly on these area, okay, and pores दिखने लगते हैं. So I like to use primer. This is Colorbar Perfect Match Primer. I'm just going to take a little bit of this, maybe this much, around my mouth and a little bit on my forehead. So for my foundation, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'm in the shade 228 Soft Tan. I'm not going to take too much of this because this is like a basic regular everyday makeup. So little bit, maybe this much. Dot 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 dot, and I'm going to blend everything. I'm also going to spray a little bit of Wet n Wild Photo Focus setting spray मेरे brush में and blend. Because I'm shooting this video in natural light, so you can see that the foundation looks ever so slightly white on me, and it happens with any foundation that I will use because you all know that I have pigmented areas, that is around my lips, under my eyes, and one area में ना I cannot do much with the foundation. So I like to ever so slightly color correct those areas. So I'm just going to use the orange corrector and apply it here क्योंकि यहाँ पे ना they look very cakey and doesn't really match lipstick लगाने के बाद. So I'm using a little bit of the orange corrector. And here, little bit, just a little bit. Moving on to concealer. For that I'm using Wet n Wild concealer. This is in the shade medium tan, one of my favorite concealer, and it's getting over. I need to buy a new one. So I'm going to apply this under my eyes and little bit around my mouth. Using the same brush to blend everything. देखा थोड़ा सा कलर करेक्टर लगाने से कितना सही लग रहा है फेस अब मेरा. Now I will move on to eyebrows. For that I'm going to use one of my favorite eyebrow product. This is by Sugar. This is their Arch Rival Brow Definer. I know sometimes I do mess up with my eyebrows, but this time I'm very aware कि कैसे करना है. And this is what they look like. I'm using my same foundation brush and I'm going to set under my eyes. I'm using Wet n Wild MegaGlo contouring palette in the shade Caramel Toffee. This one has a banana shade and a contouring shade, so I'm picking the banana shade first. Can you see my eyes are getting watery because I have sardi? Ha होता रहता है. ठीक है. Moving on to eyes, because it's winter time and I know whatever sentence that I start, I always start with because. So it's winter time, so I always like to use warmer colors, darker colors, which is more towards red tone and brown tone. And this palette is perfect. This is Lakme Illuminating palette, one of my favorite palette of 2018. And I don't think so मैंने कोई ऐसा palette found किया that can replace this. So I'm going to use this in 2019 also, I guess. So I'm going to use this color, this brown color, okay, and I'm going to apply this all over my eye. Can you see how pigmented this eyeshadow palette is? Matlab, seriously. Now I'm going to use this color. This is a maroon color and apply this all over my eyelid, dusting away excess eyeshadow. So I'm just going to quickly finish the other eye. Then we will move on to lower lash line. For my lower lash line, I'm going to use this color right here, which is more like a purple tone color from Faces Canada Ultimate Pro palette. This is such a beautiful palette. मैंने इसको ना ज़्यादा ध्यान नहीं दिया है, so I will play with this palette more and I will let you know and I will create good looks with this palette. You can just do this much and you're ready to go. And this is sort of like everyday makeup using warmer color on your eyes just to define your eyes. But I need more, something more on my eyes. For that I'm using Master Chrome palette by Maybelline. This is a highlighter. So I'm not going to use everything. मतलब इतना सारा लेके नहीं लगाऊंगी eyes में. I will take some. पहले remove करके I will dab it on my eyelids and it will give that beautiful, you know, sparkly effect. Now you will ask me ऐसा क्यों किया? Because I want the brown color to show up on my eyes. I don't want this highlighter to cover the entire eyelid. I just want a hint of this highlighter all over my eyelids. Moving on to blush. For that I'm using Faces Canada Ultimate Pro Face Palette. This blush, amazing. And this palette smells so good. Smells really good. So I'm just gonna take this blush in this angle shaped brush. This is by Sani. बहुत ज़्यादा pick कर लिया मैंने. It's okay. And I will apply this all over my cheeks. And after that I will contour my face. Can you see? This blush is highly pigmented, so be careful. You know, pop of color on your face अच्छा लगता है when you apply blush. You look very chiseled up. I'm going to contour my face using the contour palette by Wet n Wild. This is in the shade Caramel Toffee. Picking the contouring color right here, dabbing up the excess and contour my face. A little bit on my forehead. Now I will use a smaller brush to contour my nose. This is very powdery, you can see that. And I'm sort of blending the eyeshadows also. You know, when I get ready, it's everywhere. My techniques are everywhere. जो मुझे सही लग रहा है, जब सही लग रहा है, तब करना शुरू कर देती हूँ. Yeah, it happens with me. I know it happens with you too. Moving on to highlighter. For that, I'm using Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. One of my favorite highlighter of all the time. You know what? I forgot to bring a brush to apply highlighter. So let's just apply this with the help of my fingers. ऐसे ऐसे करो, dab dab dab. It's very pigmented. Be careful. Once you're done applying the highlighter, you can also use your foundation brush to pick up the excess if you think बहुत ज़्यादा लगा दिया and blend everything all together. For mascara, I'm using Maybelline mascara. This is their Big Shot mascara. I really like the wand of this one, and this is also waterproof. Always remove the excess. Let's move on to lipstick now. For that, I'm going to line my lips first. This is Ultimate Pro Lip Liner by Faces Canada. This is in the shade Dark Brown. A lot of Faces products. Not at all sponsored. Okay, this video is. Can you see how pigmented this is? And I'm going to top this with Chai by Nykaa. This is their liquid matte lipstick. My camera's battery died suddenly and I thought that outfit wasn't doing justice to the lipstick and the entire look. I quickly changed into different outfit and this sort of brings the entire look all together. I also added earrings, this gold hoop earrings. Now I quickly want to talk about this shade combination that I'm wearing on my lips. This is a great lip liner, okay, and this is a great lipstick, but together the formula is different now. थोड़ा सा time लगता है blend करने में and correct करने में. It took me 10 minutes to be very honest. So I will not recommend you to do that कि दोनों को mix करो, but after mixing they look so beautiful on the lips. And if you think we are done, we are not done. I'm just going to apply a little more blush on my cheeks. I'm using that same brush. And done. Final step, photo focus setting spray. And that's how I like to get ready whenever I'm filming a video. आपको पता चल गया, I love my brown, nudie, earthy tones and I always gravitate towards them. Yes, I will do more colorful looks in my videos, in future videos. So this is it for today's video, you all. I really hope you enjoyed watching this. For more of such videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell icon so that you will never miss a video from my side. And guess what? We just hit 50k subscribers on my channel. That is amazing. I'm soon going to do a special giveaway for that. Okay, I should go now. God bless you all.